Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, welcome to my channel Shabista lifestyle. Like my channel, please subscribe with bell and follow me on Insta and share. So let's start with chicken shashlik. So I'll take here boneless chicken. So now I'm going to add salt. Okay, after adding salt I'm going to add little bit turmeric. So let's put turmeric powder. Then after adding turmeric I'm going to add a little bit red chili powder. You can put it according to your taste. Okay, so after adding red chili powder I'm going to add coriander and cumin powder. Okay, so after adding turmeric, red chili powder, it's time to put coriander and cumin powder. So you can adjust according to your taste, how much you like. Actually we like spicy and masala types, so I add a little bit more masala. So now I'm going to add soya sauce. After adding soya sauce I'm going to add vinegar. After adding vinegar I'm going to add, this is vinegar, just a teaspoon. Okay, now it's time to add garam masala. And yes, first I'm going to add garam masala. This is ginger garlic paste, I forgot to add in starting, so I'm adding now. Okay, so now after ginger garlic paste, this is garam masala powder. Now I'm going to mix it well and leave it for at least for 30 minutes, for half an hour. Leave it so chicken can absorb its all the spices in it, so it will taste good if you marinate at least for 30 minutes. If you can't leave it for 1 hour 2 hours, so till the time I will cut my vegetables. After 30 minutes now I'm putting on the stick. Now on the stick I am putting the vegetables. You can put according as you like. First I'll put onion, then capsicum, then tomato, then chicken cube, and I'm going to fill the full stick as it is. Okay, put in the oil and fry from both the sides. Okay, so after frying from both the sides you can remove, but fry from each and every four corners. Okay, so now you see my shashlik is done. Now I'm frying a kebab together. So now my kebab is also ready. Actually it's very good for dieting, with just little bit olive oil. Just make this with olive oil kebab and shashlik and serve with hot soup, and your dinner will be done, right? So now you see, it's good for winter and for dieting. Soup and shashlik and shami kebab. So just let me know how you like it, and put little bit lemon on it because I forgot to add in the spices, so it will taste good. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe with bell icon, comment and share. Allah Hafiz. दुआ में याद रखना.